Ever get frustrated by little problems you never thought had a solution? These Amazon gadgets are here to fix them, with clever tricks and smart designs that make life easier without any extra effort. From unexpected hacks to must-have tools, they'll surprise you in the best way. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Butter just got a high-tech upgrade. This cordless electric butter sprayer lets you coat popcorn, toast, veggies, or air fryer meals evenly without any mess. It melts and stores up to half a stick of butter in its handy chamber, ready at a single touch. Compact and rechargeable, it fits neatly in your fridge and is always ready for a quick, buttery boost. Cooking or snacking has never been this effortless and fun. So if you want perfect buttery popcorn every time, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Tired eyes, meet high-tech care. These under-eye red light therapy glasses combine 7-color LEDs with gentle microcurrent to target dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. 3 intensity levels let you customize each session, boosting elasticity and revitalizing tired skin. Feather light and ergonomically designed, they sit comfortably while you read, relax, or work. A 15-minute smart timer and fast Type-C charging make glowing, refreshed eyes simple and hassle-free every day. So if you want bright, revitalized eyes in minutes, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Struggling to reach that awkward wall outlet? This extendable power stick solves it effortlessly. Stretching from 17.7 to 27 inches with a 180-degree rotating base, it brings hidden outlets within easy reach behind couches, beds, or desks. It packs 4 AC outlets plus 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A port, letting you charge multiple devices at once. No drilling needed, just stick it in place. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to organized, accessible power. So if you want hassle-free charging anywhere, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Give your feet the VIP treatment they deserve. This shiatsu foot massager kneads, rolls, and scrapes like real hands, targeting sore spots and relieving pain from plantar fasciitis. Built-in heat therapy boosts circulation while soothing tired muscles. Simple to use, it fits perfectly at home, letting you relax after a long day. Compact yet powerful, it turns everyday foot care into a spa-like experience you'll look forward to. Say goodbye to pet hair and crumbs in seconds. This mini lint roller is small, lightweight, and totally portable, so you can keep it in your pocket, bag, or suitcase. Its strong, sticky surface picks up hair, dust, and debris from clothes, furniture, carpets, and car seats. When it gets dirty, just rinse it with water to restore its stickiness. Quick, reusable, and mess-free, it keeps everything looking spotless wherever you go. Keep your gadgets spotless with this all-in-one keyboard and screen cleaning kit. It comes with brushes, cloths, a keycap puller, and even a lens cleaner, tackling everything from laptops to earbuds and cameras. The retractable brush and mini high-density tools reach every nook and cranny, while polishing cloths leave screens streak-free. Compact and portable, it's easy to carry or store anywhere. One swipe, and your electronics look fresh and pristine every time. So if you want perfectly clean gadgets without the hassle, scan the QR on screen to shop now. That gross gunk hiding in cup lids doesn't stand a chance anymore. This tiny 3-in-1 cleaning brush is made to reach the spots you always miss. One side scrubs tight gaps, another cleans silicone seals, and the stiff bristles tackle corners fast. The head swivels so you can angle it exactly where you need it. It's comfortable to hold, easy to rinse, and small enough to hang and dry when you're done. Reading glasses you'll never forget at home, because they're always with you. These ultra-thin readers snap onto your nose without arms, so they're light, simple, and instantly ready. They slide into a slim case that clips to your keys, bag, or pocket. The flexible bridge gently grips your nose, giving you a secure fit without pressure or slipping. When small text suddenly matters, you just grab them and see clearly in seconds. Wake up to sunlight without lifting a finger. This smart curtain opener clips onto your existing curtain rod and opens or closes your curtains for you. You can control it with your phone, a remote, or even your voice, so getting out of bed isn't required. The upgraded motor is strong enough to move heavy curtains smoothly and quietly. Set schedules, go silent at night, and let your curtains move exactly when you want them to. So if you want effortless mornings with smart control, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Your charging cables always break in the same annoying spot. These soft silicone protectors slide over the ends to stop bending, fraying, and dust buildup. They spread pressure so your cable doesn't snap where it connects. Installation takes seconds and stays put once attached. If you want your chargers to last longer and look less messy, this tiny fix makes a big difference. Stop wasting snacks just because the bag won't close. This portable vacuum sealer seals, vacuums, and reseals food in one quick move. You press a button and it pulls air out, keeping food fresh longer and preventing freezer burn. Smart heat control makes sure bags seal cleanly without melting or burning. It's small, rechargeable, and easy to take anywhere you want fresh food on demand. Ever wonder where to put your spoon mid-stir without making a mess? This silicone pot clip snaps right onto the edge of your pot or pan. It holds spoons and spatulas in place so drips fall back inside, not on your counter. The non-slip, heat-resistant silicone stays put while you cook. When you're done, you just rinse it off and tuck it away until next time. So if you want a cleaner, stress-free cooking experience, scan the QR on screen to shop now. That last bit of toothpaste doesn't have to be a struggle anymore. This rolling toothpaste squeezer presses every drop out with a simple twist. You slide the tube in, turn the handle, and watch the toothpaste come out smoothly. It keeps your tube neat, upright, and easy to use every day. Less waste, less mess, and no more squeezing with tired fingers. Heavy appliances don't have to feel glued to your counter. These stick-on mini wheels turn any small appliance into a smooth slider. You peel, stick, and suddenly you can move coffee makers, air fryers, or storage boxes in any direction. The wheels rotate fully, so pushing and pulling feels effortless. When cleaning or reorganizing, you just roll things aside instead of lifting. Peace of mind shouldn't be hard to pack. This portable door stopper wedges under your door to block it from opening. If someone tries to force the door, it triggers a loud alarm that grabs attention instantly. You don't need tools or drilling, just slide it in place and tighten. It's compact, travel-friendly, and gives you extra security wherever you stay. So if you want easy, portable protection wherever you go, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Take your selfies and videos to the next level with this magnetic phone light. It snaps right onto your iPhone or any phone with the included adapter, giving instant glow wherever you are. Rotate it 360 degrees for full lighting coverage, from soft selfies to ambient background shots. 3 color temperatures and adjustable brightness make your skin and eyes pop naturally. Plus, the built-in mirror lets you touch up makeup on the go, so you always look your best. Keep curious little hands out of trouble. This fridge and freezer lock makes it nearly impossible for toddlers to open, but adults can unlock it easily with one hand. It prevents accidents, keeps your food safe, and stops messes before they start. No tools, screws, or drilling are needed. Just stick it on a smooth surface and you're done. Durable and wear-resistant, it's a simple solution for child-proofing your kitchen. Say goodbye to soggy boots and wet gloves. This boot and shoe dryer gently blows warm air deep into your footwear, drying even the tallest boots or thick gloves. The foldable 180-degree rack and bendable ports reach every corner, so nothing stays damp. Set the intelligent timer and walk away while it dries safely and efficiently. It's quiet, easy to use, and perfect for keeping your shoes ready for anything. So if you want dry, ready-to-wear shoes every time, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Tired of scraping your fingers while washing knives? This double-sided blade brush cleans both sides at once, keeping your hands safe from sharp edges. Its strong bristles tackle grease and grime on knives, forks, spoons, and even pots. The non-slip handle gives you full control while scrubbing, and it's easy to store standing on a dish rack or beside the sink. Simple, safe, and built to last in your kitchen. Upgrade your DIY projects with a set of metal snap buttons. This kit comes with 100 sets, male, female, and hollow prongs, enough for clothes, hats, bags, or any fabric you can imagine. The included pliers have a non-slip handle, so you can attach each snap easily and accurately. Made of durable metal that won't fade or bend, these snaps add both function and style. Perfect for crafting, sewing, and personalizing your projects. Lose the hassle of keys forever. This smart padlock opens instantly with just your fingerprint, no fumbling, no waiting. Setup is simple. Register any finger in seconds and you're ready to go. A low battery alert lets you know when it's time to recharge, and the included cable makes it easy. Sleek, lightweight, and portable, it's perfect for lockers, backpacks, or suitcases. So if you want quick keyless security wherever you go, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Give your knees some serious TLC. This brace combines red light therapy and gentle vibration massage to relieve pain and stiffness in knees, elbows, or shoulders. The wireless rechargeable controller makes it easy to adjust heat, light, and vibration wherever you are. Red lights at 660 nanometers and 850 nanometers boost circulation and reduce inflammation naturally. Comfortable and flexible, it wraps around your joint so you can move while you heal. Watch videos, scroll, or video chat hands-free anywhere. This ultra-thin phone kickstand sticks to your case without adding bulk, keeping your phone pocket-friendly. Rotate it 360 degrees for landscape or portrait, and the four-way lock keeps it stable without slipping. Made with strong metal and anti-slip pads, it won't wobble while you type or tap. Quick to install, easy to remove, and perfect for desks, travel, or your nightstand. Why settle for a regular chair when you can lounge in a giant animal? These oversized plush loungers turn any room into a cozy, magical space. Inspired by nature and childhood stuffed animals, they're soft, comfy, and perfect for reading, gaming, or just relaxing. You can sink in, stretch out, or curl up. It adapts to you. Fun, whimsical, and surprisingly comfy, it's more than furniture, it's an experience. So if you want a cozy, playful spot to relax, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Tired of digging through messy shoes? This 3-layer revolving shoe rack makes every pair easy to reach with 360 degrees rotation. Each layer holds 4 pairs, and the vertical design saves precious floor space. You can place it on the ground or hang it using the built-in hook, even doubling as a drying rack. Simple to assemble and stylish in gold, it keeps your entryway or bedroom neat and organized. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.